Excella Education Study in USA assured scholarship. Contact 9881 96666.
So Manara, welcome to Telugu. That Welcome to my show, Trendsetter. Well, today my guest is again special. I always get special guest for you, and today she's trending. Trendsetters and trending. Who's she? Well, you will say thanks to me. She has a big charm. As I've always said in my interview, I love her smile, and she's none other than my love, Manara Chopra. Well, I've caught her. She's busy watching outside. I don't know what she's doing. She's having fun. Whenever she's in Hyderabad, she's doing some of the other things, you know. So Manara, thank you so much again.
Thank you so
I think
much.
6 months back we caught her, and that was a wonderful interview she gave, and she creating a big platform. So we again have caught her, kidnapped. I was planning to kidnap her, but she has a busy schedule. So in the hotel, I've caught her and told her I want to do your interview. She was always welcoming, humble by heart. What she's seen in a big platform, in the real life also she's the same. That's my experience. I want to share with your fans. So Manara, welcome to Hyderabad. I think you must be missing Hyderabad, right?
Oh, yes. You can't even think how much I was. But thank you for a warm welcome and a warm introduction. Indeed, I was missing Hyderabad, and I'm so glad that finally, I could make it for Hyderabad. Although it was for a short visit for the Mumbai Hero teams at CCL. However much, I'm very happy to be here.
And I've seen Manara, you've been experimenting a lot with everything, like talk about CCL match and being into sports, you've been promoting.
Yes.
You always have a love for sports if we talk about the cricket side.
So basically, I've been experimenting a lot after Bigg Boss. These are the opportunities which really knock your door, and you must make the most use of whatever things you have, and you grab the best of them. So I started with my music album Savare, which got released and is still trending online. So I'm really glad.
You are trending, yeah. Now Manara is trending.
So I'm absolutely thrilled and happy about that. And after that, yes, I have a CCL I've been a part of for many years, but this time it's for Mumbai Heroes. And as you saw,
But you always have a love for sports like cricket. You played sometime. Backside of your memory would like to share?
Yes, all my cousins and all, they play a lot of sports, specifically cricket, and I have been playing, with them, with all the boys. So pretty much, yes, I have been very fond of skating.
Okay.
I've been very fond of volleyball as a kid, and in my school I used to be a part of the basketball team and everything. So a bit of it in the morning session I used to go for that. So yeah, sports is an integral part, and sports is something which keeps your muscles and your body active, and your resilience power, your activity level is something which we all must look at, considering for a lifetime. So yeah,
But I think if you've not been into acting or cinema, you've been a good sports star. I think we missed the good sports star.
I think if not that, then I would have pursued my studies in fashion design and done something there. And of course, I would have pursued my music. I have this love for singing, and I would have definitely pursued it further. So yeah.
But Manara, we loved you. I mean, Bigg Boss, we never expected that, this Manara will see. I mean, you were the same because we know you closely. But how you got it, like when they offered you, and what was going in your mind? And in one of your interview and when you were in Bigg Boss, you said, I've never seen a Bigg Boss. That's why you were natural and you really doing well. How true it is.
So basically, yes, I'd never really seen Bigg Boss because it's always been like padhai kar li, uske baad college, uske baad, you start working, internship, jobs and acting and everything. So never really got a chance to watch Bigg Boss, but thoda bahut snippets mein to dekha, all the comedy stuff and everything. But I never knew it's going to be so hard and so emotionally draining. But at the same point of time, so much fun, which I really needed in my life, because मैंने पूरी जिंदगी सिर्फ पढ़ाई में या काम में ही बिता दी, कभी ऐसे बैठ के गप्पे नहीं लड़ाई.
Okay, yeah.
So that was my golden opportunity, I would say, to just have interaction with people from different walks of life, and I truly enjoyed my journey, and I think people also enjoyed it. So
but how did you get this offer? Like when they called you, and what was your reaction, or what going in your mind?
So basically,
how prepared you are mentally for this project?
So I went to my family's, to my relative's house for dinner, and we had a common friend. and we were just chilling, you know, like all of us, cousins and friends and everyone. And he said, "Have you considered Big Boss?" I was like, "Big Boss? No, I don't think so. I mean, what will I? मैं वहाँ पे क्या करूँगी? You know, like what will I do there? I don't know. I've never seen it. So you should consider." तो बस you know रात गई बात गई, and then like nothing really. I didn't say anything. Just सुना और you know. So then I went to US for work. I was a showstopper for North America Fashion Week, and so I was there. I was there for like couple of weeks, and so you know that person caught off my mother, and he was like that. Why don't you, auntie, at least tell Manara to at least have a conversation? तो मैंने कहा अब मैं इंडिया में तो हूँ नहीं, तो conversation कैसी होगी? तो they said we'll put you on a Zoom call. And I did a Zoom call, and the person who was interacting, they were very much fun. They were like cool people, like us only. So मैंने कहा ये तो cool है, like they're talking, like pretty much like 20 minutes we spoke. And so I was like, and in US after 7, specifically in winters, it's very like कोई भी नहीं है सड़क पे तो, and you are also by your hotel room, not doing much. I told him like at last, I said, yeah, you can call me again, you know, after 7, anyhow I'm getting bored, so it's good to have a call coming. India से एक phone call आ रहा है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो he started laughing, and that's the whole conversation. उसके बाद I went back to India, and they kind of like locked on me, but it's like कि एक बार हमें face to face मिलना था, but India जाके भी of course you don't know if you go for a meeting what time the meeting is going to end. So that point of time I was shooting for a web in Mumbai itself, which in fact got released. It was a web series which I did, a very quirky one by the name of Bhootmeet for Alt, and I did that, and I was shooting for that. So they were all night shifts. So they were like, आपको meeting कब करनी है? तो I was like, पहले खत्म तो हो जाए तभी तो मिलूंगी, because रात को shoot कर रहे हैं, सुबह 10 बजे घर जा रहे हैं, शाम को 4 बजे आ रहे हैं. So you know you have to give full attention to what you do, I believe. तो मैंने बोला कब? तो then after that, completing that web, I went and I met there, and again my meeting was just for 20 minutes, and they invited me to be a part of Big Boss, and then everything happened, the contracts and everything happened, and I was still traveling, and yeah, the final, in fact, Big Boss से एक दिन जाने से पहले मैं हैदराबाद में थी. I was doing some shoot here, and I think I was shooting for a brand here. And उसके अगले दिन 5 बजे शाम को तो मैं बिग बॉस के घर पे थी. So it happened. It was so roller coaster last year that it just happened.
But I don't know, वो toxic हो जाता ना जब कहीं जाते हैं हम लोग या body का. I mean, how was your experience? I can see this still. Are you in that mentally phase of being into the Big Boss, because the timetable, the kind of environment? I think it was the first time for you being alone, or you know,
yes,
without
absolutely.
a family.
Absolutely. For me, it's a very different thing, you know, because I've always been surrounded by good people like you and everybody around me. Everything is like, you know, you're working, you're giving interviews, you're living your life in a free space, and then you always have, you know, your family on a call away, or they're traveling
Mobile's
with you.
not there.
Mobile
Same
is not
faces
there.
every day.
Exactly. तो बहुत ही different था. इनिशियली तो मुझे मज़ा आ रहा था, बट जब इनिशियली लड़ाइयाँ होने लग गई तो मैं बहुत डर गई थी कि यार ये लोग इतना क्यों लड़ रहे हैं.
You're a very calm girl, right? I mean, you don't like all this. I know.
Yeah, you know me so well from so many years, right? So I was like, इतना क्यों लड़ रहे हैं? क्या हो गया? Why they're shouting? And you know those voices when they reach your ears, you were like, oh my God, क्या हो गया? So I was to like, you know, like मैं थोड़ा सा घबरा जाती थी, but then I just realized you start getting to know people, and of course बातें करो तो you mellow down and everything. And I'm a conversational person. I've traveled around the world and I like making friends, and luckily I got some really nice people to interact with inside. और फिर you know, कहते हैं ना कि आपका झांका खुल जाता है जब आप सबको जान जाते हो. Then you know where is your vibe, whom you want to talk to, किसके साथ fun करना है. So then I think it became little easier, and yeah, the journey was like that.
But do you think after coming out or being into the Big Boss, you learn so many things, the real chehras of people, what they are in front and back? Because most of the Big Boss, this thing comes out.
Actually,
they can't be always in the, you know, on the wrong way, or you know, the reality of the face comes. That's actually the meaning of Big Boss is, you know, you have to be very real.
Yeah, you have to be very real, and I'm still learning. Even after Big Boss, I'm still learning about it. That how people
I think
are.
you must be shocked of knowing some of the people which you know outside they were different, and when they come to Big Boss, they must be different, right?
So I basically didn't know anyone there. उधर मतलब एक दो लोग पता थे, वो शक्ल से पता थे, but मुझे उनके बारे में नहीं पता
Reality,
था.
okay.
How they are. मतलब मैं किसी को वहाँ पे बाहर से बिल्कुल भी नहीं जानती थी. I had no idea. But हाँ, एक लोगों के चेहरे तो दिखते हैं.
Learning experience for you.
डुअलिज्म दिखता है, बहुत सारी चीजें दिखती हैं. आपको पता चलता है कि आप कितने शेल में रहे हो पूरी लाइफ, एंड यू नो द रियलिटी ऑफ लाइफ इज समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम व्हाट यू हैव परसीव्ड. And still, I think after Big Boss, the same people I share a very different equation, and you know, I see a very different side of them. But now, because I'm in a normal environment, I can absorb it, because you know, this is the real life for me. But I have still been the same person जो मैं घर के अंदर थी. I'm still the same person, but I'm still learning, you know.
So still you made good friends like with Manar, and you know, you were having good talks, and you know, the support for each other.
So I think outside the house, I'm really close to, I would say, I'm close to Tehelka for sure.
Okay.
He's like my brother. In fact, I had something in my family going on, you know, medically, something which was happening, and you know, he was the person who was really calling me कि बहन सब ठीक है. तो ये चीज़ें बहुत मैटर करती हैं लाइफ में. आई विल नॉट फेक इट फॉर यू. And then Samarth is a very sweet person, so I like interacting. Arun bhai is very nice. So you know, you meet some friends जो आपको पता है होते हैं, and I really believe in that. So
but you and Manar are becoming very trendy together.
I'm glad we were, and I mean, I am from a different walk of life. He's from a different walk of life, and I wish him all the best.
And what about Ankita? How is the relationship now? I'm seeing your videos where you're together in the award show. So how the coordination relation is happening when you're meeting together?
So
रात गई बात गई.
So I am anyhow a person, मैं 4 दिन से ऊपर कभी ग्रज लगती नहीं. And real life में बहुत कम interact करती हूँ. अगर मेरे को पता है कि you know, a certain person is not giving me those kind of vibes, I would definitely keep minimum interaction. Not just I'm saying for a particular person, in general, but for the Big Boss house, I have all the love for everyone. जो भी बात करता है या कुछ भी, I always talk in the same manner, but it is just that it's me in the real life. कि अगर मुझे लगता है कि you know, there's a certain disconnect, जो exact disconnect, जो connect घर के अंदर नहीं था, if I feel, then you know, you just go your own way. And you give that person that space, and you of course deserve your own space, and that's all about
and you both are well-known actresses, so there can be a platform where you both can come to one project. So will you work together? Like if Ankita
we are
is there,
actors, we are bounded by our duties, and if any opportunity like that, she's an extremely beautiful and very talented person, an extremely good actor, and of course an extremely good dancer, and of course as an actor, whatever your responsibility is from my end and from her end, I'm sure we'll all deliver.
That's true. So what 3 things you learn from being into Big Boss?
When I'm out of the house, this is something which people have never spoken in any of the interviews, but abhi Hyderabad ke liye hai to batana padega. Never take people on the face value.
Yes.
It's about what they show is not what they actually are. That is one thing I've really learned, and I'm still trying to absorb. And second is, no matter how the other person is, you must know what you are. आपको अपनी समझ होनी चाहिए. You cannot ever in life get carried away by the emotions of the other person, or the conversation which other person, or the direction which other person is trying to tell you or something, because at the end, anything in life is all about your personality, and you have to live by what your ethics and morals they say about a particular thing. And third, I think मैंने खाना बनाना तो अब सीख लिया.
मैं बोलने वाली थी, you were cooking a lot, right?
I was cooking a lot, so I think now प्रोफेशनल कुक एंड
और चाय तो आप पहले ही बनाते, तो चाय तो सबको पिला
चाय
रहे थे,
तो
तो
मैं
रील इज
बना
वेरी
लेती हूँ,
ट्रेंडिंग।
और अब
चाय पियोगे क्या?
बिल्कुल, अब मेरे लिए रिश्ता भी आएगा तो मैं सबको खाने पे, यू नो, हु विल बी कमिंग फॉर द रिश्ता, आई बी लाइक चलो मैं खाना बना के दिखाती
चाय
हूँ,
बना दूंगी मैं।
चाय बना सकती हूँ मैं, यू नो, जस्ट लाइक
You're
गुड हो गया मेरा।
that reel is going so trendy about your chai.
Yeah, I guess.
You're actually a tea lover in real life.
Oh, I love. I means I need to have a cup of tea and something that, yeah, मुझे सुबह चाय पीना बहुत important है और शाम को चाय पीना बहुत important. That
Oh.
one cup is very important for me.
So, and there is a news that Khatron ke Khiladi, you've been offered, you and Manar. So, like that will be more challenging, as it offer is there, and we can see you in that reality show.
So there are offers for different things, and I'm considering different variables of life. But my basic intention is to. I've been an actor. You've seen
Yeah.
me in films, and that is what I intend to do for a lifetime, and that is what I'm concentrating on. Keeping my feet on ground and looking up to the opportunities which will cross my way.
And Big Boss Telugu, that is also very trending. So, have you
Yes.
seen and people have approached you? Maybe you know. You're doing so well,
it's
or the
starting
fans.
now.
No, it's done.
Oh, it's
So,
done.
Telugu Big Boss is also. So when next time come, if they offer you to come in Big Boss Telugu, or you have to go on the as a guest, how will you react? Like it will be.
So I'm a big
you will
fan
laugh?
of Nagso, and
Okay.
then of course
Yeah.
I even got a chance to interact with him. I was here for a children's film festival along with my mommy, Dr. Madhu Chopra, Priyanka's mom, and I had a brief, I got a chance to have a brief conversation with him, which was very overwhelming, and I'm a big fan of his work. And yes, if and then of course Big Boss is like a family, so I have all
Now
the
Telugu,
more-
and you are so much attached to
I
Telugu.
am a Telugu. My दिल से तो हूँ मैं बिल्कुल।
Yeah.
I'm as simple as people in Hyderabad। और मैं जब घर के अंदर भी थी तो मैं बहुत हैदराबाद को याद करती थी, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ के लोग, यहाँ पे बहुत मुझे प्यार मिला, और यहाँ के लोग बहुत सिंपल होते हैं। They are very, transparent, and I just love the vibe of the city. And मैं हमेशा याद करती थी जब मैं
I
अरुण
know.
भाई से भी बात करती
Yes,
थी।
yes.
Once Big Boss also said, "Welcome to Telugu Big Boss."
Yes. Telugu.
Like
The Tabu
laughing.
was also there. You were interacting. They were also
Yes.
happy to see you there. Yeah.
Yeah, so Tabu
So
ma'am
connection
was also
रहता है।
there. हाँ, so of course अगर Telugu Big Boss से if there is anything,
You'll
and
be
I
there.
can be a part. Of course,
will love to be a part
for
of
the
it.
fraternity, anything. Of course, opportunity to be sharing that platform with Naxa will be amazing, and of course that Viacom and Mall, everything is just so amazing.
In recent social media, there is one more trending news is happening, which I want to clear about your marriage. You're getting married.
I am getting married. No,
And
I'm
you are
not
in
getting
love.
married.
Manara
No.
इतने आराम से love में फंसती नहीं है, तो हमें पता है. She takes her like long time.
I take a
He has to be a very hardcore person to patau Manara. It's not easy job. You know,
You
all your
know me so
friends,
well.
yeah, all your friends, they are getting all the Telugu heroes, nice heroes. What Manara is planning? Marriage was on the card.
I have never really planned anything. I just take life how it comes. I've never been that planner. वो तो मुझ पे
Still you're
सूट ही नहीं
single?
होता. That is something
No,
I
people
don't
are-
joke.
Telugu abbai. We would
Oh
love
my
that if you
God.
get married to a Telugu boy.
Oh really? Okay, all the Telugu
So
boys out there.
Hyderabad mein you'll be here, right?
Oh my god, let's see what's future has in store for me. But as of now, I've just come out of Big Boss, and first 15 days was just about me absorbing myself, and then giving time to my family, which was very important at this junction, which I told you in the previous conversation. And and now it is about, now actually I've just like started rolling up on work, picking up things and everything.
But there are actors like Namrata, she got married to Mahesh Babu. Lavanya got married to, they are friends. I mean, if a person like a star, you would love to be like like we can say a character, like, you know, you would love to be a
there's
part
nothing
like,
like that.
Prabhas jaisa, ya Varun Tej jaisa, ya Saitar. Who's your favorite co-star? Aisa koi, you know, you feel like, okay, if a person like this, I can consider.
I think it's best to get married to your friend.
Okay, and who's your friend? You don't
no,
know.
I'm just saying like that.
Okay.
In general, I'm saying, and it's good to have a partner like that because marriage is all about partnership, and it's great if you find मतलब आपको अपने life partner में अपना दोस्त मिल जाता है, and that's all I can say. He can be from any profession. There's nothing like I have to get married to an actor. It could
Actor
be,
from Telugu cinema.
Yeah.
So you admire anybody like? I mean, you can just.
I mean, all the actors are
you
so
love.
good here, and they are taking, the whole country
A
and the
husband
world.
like we always say ना, you एक girl का
ऐसे
हमेशा
मैंने
रहता
सोचा
है.
नहीं है, ऐसा मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं सोचा, पर लगता है आपने बहुत सोच लिया है. मैंने बिल्कुल
No, but
नहीं-
there are news like, you know, maybe you get married to a Telugu actor. These are the news, so I'm just clarifying.
I don't know. I haven't got any proposals yet.
But if they got, you'll be ready to go for it.
I don't know. Depends upon who is proposing me.
Okay, that's a cup of like your tea. You have to consider on that. So, what are the future projects now for Telugu and Bollywood? Or what makes
So
you busy
right
nowadays?
Now, yes, I had this music album releasing, and then there are a couple of more which are coming up. There are shows which are reality. There are films. There is web. So yeah, just taking it, at a steady pace, in a steady pace, and as I said, keeping my feet on the ground and looking up to the sky.
So, I mean, this Big Boss ke baad, the fan following is so much. I think they must be expecting you to spend at least some hour time for the social media. They want to connect with you. Is it a pressure for you right now? Because now they are having more connection with you. So, there is a pressure comes, okay, Nara, go on live, give answers to us, you know. So, the fan following has actually somewhere gone other way.
Right.
So, how are you
fan
dealing with that?
following is amazing, and I'm very overwhelmed and grateful about the fact that my fan following has reached so much. ये सब जनता का प्यार है.
Yeah,
और-
every reel is going, I was watching, it's going like, oh my God, it's just going like anything. So there's a pressure on you like to connect with fans. उनको check तो करना पड़ता है what they are saying, you have to revert back. So are you dealing with that pressure right now?
I am not dealing with any pressure like that, but fans ने इतना मान दिया है, इतना प्यार दिया है, तो एक उनकी तरफ एक प्रेशर तो देखो नहीं लेना चाहिए किसी भी चीज़ का लाइफ में. मैंने बिग बॉस में भी इतना प्रेशर नहीं लिया. मैं रो दी वो अलग बात है, बट प्रेशर नहीं लेती मैं. एंड सोशल मीडिया इज अ प्लेस वेयर पीपल वांट टू नो. आई रीड देयर कमेंट्स एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड आई ट्राई टू लाइक, पीछे था आप प्लीज फोटोज पोस्ट करो, तो मैंने फोटोज पोस्ट करी. देन दे आर लाइक यू डू इट दिस, सो आई लिसन टू
So
माय
much of
फैंस.
demands, yeah.
Yes, they have lot of demands, they have lot of expectations, and social media is a way where you connect to your fans, and they have given me so much of love with so much of humbleness, and yeah, social media is fun, तो आ जाओ वहाँ पे हम fun कर लेंगे.
So I just want to end up by knowing
On my Me Manara page on Instagram.
Yes. And when fans connect with you as a fan following comes, how you just talk about the pressure, you know, you have to connect with them. What is it like, you know, it's a plus point also, minus point also, both the ways it goes. And you know how to deal. After Big Boss, you got the experience to deal with negativity. So when it comes to social media, how? I wanted that message should go, because many people take it by heart and it actually affects their mental awareness or mental health. How you deal with that?
So basically, social media पे I don't think कि there is any harshness about me. There's lot of love which is coming from all four corners, because होता क्या है नेहा, जब आप एक घर पे इतने महीने रहते हो ना, तो लोग आपको जानते हैं. They know what kind of a girl she is. They know that even work wise how she is, what are her work ethics, what are her personal ethics. They know you in and out. तो अभी कुछ है नहीं जो छुपा है.
Yeah.
And तो social media पे there's just love and more love. तो अभी कोई मेरे बारे में backlash करे या कुछ भी, but जो वो जनता है उन्होंने तो सब देखा है ना.
I know.
तो वो लोग तो कहेंगे ना कि वो ऐसी है या वो ऐसी नहीं है. तो if somebody even tries to backlash me, which I have seen over the month, you know, some contestant or anything, people have seen me even out of the house. They have seen me मैं कैसी हूँ. तो I don't think मुझे अभी अपने आप को justify या explain करने की कभी ज़रूरत पड़ती है, क्योंकि मेरे fans हैं, उन्होंने मुझे इतना, जनता ने इतना प्यार दे के यहाँ पहुँचाया, तो वो आगे भी वो रहेंगे, because उन्होंने मनारा को देखा है, उन्होंने उसकी journey को देखा
And
है.
then even the reels over there where the people are appreciating she's a sister of Pariniti and Priyanka, but still she's not taking the name, and on her feet, on her own struggle, she's doing the things. That's reels are coming up. So many people don't know that.
Yeah.
So how you take it? I mean, there were so many compliments or also comes like Priyanka, Parneeti, they complimented you.
Yes, they did compliment me, but my whole intention was not to take my, cousin's name.
You have never
because-
taken it. That reels are going that this girl has never taken an initiative. मैं इसकी बहन हूँ या on your own way you have taken your path.
Because the whole intention was this. In fact, घर पे आते ही contestants बोलने लग गए थे कुछ, and I was just not replying to them properly about it. And even when Salman sir asked, and he was like, "Why you're not replying? What's the problem?" Then I told him the real thing, because अगर मैं एक reality show में गई हूँ तो मुझे first week में ही जाते ही realize हुआ कि it's a personality show. It's
Yes.
not a platform जहाँ पे लोगों को लड़ना है. लड़ना है, लड़ो, तुम्हारा मर्जी है और वो तुम्हारा आउटलुक है, बट मेरा तो नहीं है. तो बट मैंने रियलाइज़ किया पर्सनालिटी का शो है, तो अगर मैं सबका नाम लूँगी भी तो भी लोग तो अगर मुझे प्यार करते हैं तो ही तो मैं आगे जाऊँगी ना. तो it is always good that you are not in anybody's shadow. They should be like, okay, this is Manara, but she is also this, because if today I'm attending a party or I'm attending a conference or I'm attending a meeting, first what they look at is me.
Manara, yeah, as a personality.
Yes, so that is something which I've earned from the Big
In
Boss
the
platform.
Big Boss, I saw it when somebody was asking your sister name, you taken your real sister name.
Yeah.
That was really appreciating. You were not
Yes.
talking about anything, You just taken your real sister
Real
name,
sister
and your mother name.
Yes.
That was real thing which have actually touched people's heart.
Thank you.
That's
so
the real
much.
Manara, I must say. And I know it, she will take her sister and you have never been taking around and, doing that flaw, but you're working in your way, in your own feet, I must say.
Your conversation
This.
is actually making me feel very emotional about
No,
the
yeah,
entire thing.
you are. I was waiting for you. When Manara will come, I'll have to catch her.
Oh my God, that's so sweet of you. But
and was seeing you on that background, on the platform, on the same way. That's more respect for you because
Thank you.
what I saw Manara here and on the TV, she was same. We have seen people changing their behaviors or something, but she's the same girl.
Oh my God.
We can call her anytime; she'll answer it.
I try.
No, okay. We want you should be busy and working hard as
Thank
you are.
you so much.
So we want you to do more Telugu movies and buy a house and be here only.
Oh my God, buy a house. Oh my God. Then I'll give you the key and you'll be maintaining my house.
Because I think now you have more of the opportunities on the other side. So I think
Let's
you'll be
see.
concentrating on the Telugu side, like movies
Let's
area.
see what is there in store. As I told you, I had something on my personal end also which I had to figure out medically, which I said, not for me, but there's something in my family, and then I was looking into that. And then whatever work is coming up, I had to be attentive towards that. Now I'll concentrate.
And marriage
more.
is not there for time. Like the rumors, so many reasons. You should check social media. Manara is getting married. Manara is
I
getting
only see about my every kind. I went to Dubai. People are asking me on my mirchi this thing. Are you okay? Are you all right? So I don't see any marriage thing. Or people are talking about the chai reels. This is something which I'm hearing for the first time.
she's getting married.
Oh
So we
my
were just, she's having like, she's dating somebody. I don't know who she's dating. We don't know.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
So it's good to know that. Like,
Yes.
so I think you'll take your time.
I don't know. Right now, I'll take my time to just reach the airport for now.
Yeah. And we just want to end up by knowing that chai wala. If you speak from that sing that chai piyoge kya, I'm loving that reel. So we'll make the reel also, but we want you to, do that also same.
So it's like, अब पता रही ना चाय का quantity कितना पीता है अभी. So it was all about the people used to have different quantities of tea, and it was all about me asking people, and I didn't know that there'll be a reel coming out of it. So yeah, it's like, Neha, what would you like to have? आधा कप चाय की पूरा कप चाय? मैं तो चाय बना ही दूंगी.
Wow, chai piyoge kya?
चाय पी लूंगी मैं. I think अभी कॉफी पीऊंगी.
Okay, that's a good one. I must
अभी
say.
next I think कॉफी वाला reel आ जाएगा जिसमें कॉफी पी रही थी.
That we created.
That will be
coffee piyoge
created.
kya?
So anybody watching
Yeah,
out,
Irani chai piyoge kya? You're
I
in Hyderabad.
love, you know how much I love Irani chai, right? I have a spot here in Hyderabad where I know कि मेरे को Irani chai पीनी है. That is close to
Actually, मैंने सोचा था आपको लेके जाएंगे, but as your time is not here, but next we'll do on the Irani chai. We'll take you in the spot
Chai
and
pe
yeah,
gupshup.
chai pe gupshup. that
Let's
suits
do
you.
that.
because-
Let's do that. Let's do
so
that.
next is that,
Looking forward.
So best of luck, Manara,
Thank you,
giving us a
thank you.
good time
Thank you
and
so much.
lot of success.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
Thank
much.
you for having me on your show. Thank you.
Thank you.